It's the curse of losing real love when your heart is young. You think your best days are behind you before they've begun. And then somebody new decides to come along. He could be everything you wanted, but it still feels wrong. It's not that I don't wanna let him in. It's just my heart is not my own to give. He's got the same brown eyes, that devastating smile. Yeah, he's got something, but he's nothing, nothing like you. His kisses do the trick, his hands give me my fix. He gives me something, but he's nothing, nothing like you. It's a tragedy, he's loving me since you've been gone. I try to let you go, but I keep holding on. He's the first somebody I can picture something with, but every time I say I love him, it feels like a sin. It's not that I don't wanna let him in. It's just my heart is not my own to give. He's got the same brown eyes, that devastating smile. Yeah, he's got something, but he's nothing, nothing like you. His kisses do the trick, his hands give me my fix. He may have something, but he's nothing, nothing like you. You, no, you. He's just enough for you to hold my attention, but not enough for you to hold my heart. And every time I see his face, boy, it's you I'm trying to replace, but it never works, because the truth is, oh, they're not the same brown eyes, it's not the same damn smile. He may have something, but he's nothing, nothing like you. Your kisses did more than this, your hands are what I miss. He may have something, but he's nothing, nothing like you. You, nothing like you. You, nothing like you. You, no, it's nothing, nothing like you. You, nothing like you. You, nothing like you. You, no, it's nothing, nothing like you.
You caught my eye yesterday when we were walking down the street, and all it took was a smile for you to capture me. You got me turning around so I can ask your name. You know I never knew that I could feel this way. Well, oh baby, you're just like an angel. Your lips are something from the devil, even sweeter than I could have imagined. Well, you are magic. 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 You stole my love when you said that I had yours to keep. all at once I knew you were my everything. You got my heart racing fast when you call my name. You know I never knew that I could feel this way. Well, oh baby, you're just like an angel. Your lips are something from the devil, even sweeter than I could have imagined. See, you are magic. Magic. I never thought I'd find a love like in the movies, where everything fits perfectly right into place. And even though it's not always happy ever after, I'm so glad that you're here to stay. Oh baby, you're just like an angel. Your lips are something from the devil, even sweeter than I could have imagined. Well, you are magic. Magic. Magic.
Can someone tell me why every time I fall in love it seems to be at the wrong time? You walked into my life and I knew right then and there I wouldn't get you off my mind. But then I looked you up and there she was, in your arms all cute and stuff. You got someone, no signs of breaking up. Why does my heart attract over me, wanting someone that I can't have, can't take it back, this feeling? Why do you gotta be taken? You don't know how long I've been waiting for someone like you. Now there's nothing I can do. Why do you gotta be taken? Can't you see my heart is breaking over you? You're just too good to be true. Why do you gotta be taken? You're surprised that you already got someone. She's lucky to be standing by your side. One look in your eyes, and I wish it could be different because you and me have such a good vibe. Good vibe. But when she calls you up, gets all your love, can't lie. I wish that there was us, and I'm trying, but you're someone she can trust, which makes me want you more even than before. I do anything to be yours. I can't ignore that you Stare at the rain on my window. I feel the tears coming soon. You're lying next to me, and I guess I've been lying too. We had a fire that became smoke. Breathed it in till we both choked. Thought that love could be enough for the both of us, but we know that just ain't true. I found the courage today